Section 3.2, we are looking at solving linear equations, page 217, number 20. Anytime it asks you to solve, that means that you're looking at an equation, something that contains an equal sign, and we need to find what x is equal to. Okay, since we have fractions, we would like to eliminate them. And the way that we eliminate fractions is we will need to find our LCM and then multiply every single fraction by the LCM, and that will clear the fractions. Okay, so LCM or LCD, we're looking at 2, 4, 3, 6. So the smallest number that 2, 4, 3, and 6 go into or divide would be 12. So what we need to do is multiply every single part of this equation by 12. Okay, so when you have an equation, if you multiply one part of it by a number, you have to do it to every single part. So it has to be the same number for every single part. So let me write this out. So just kind of to try to be neat here, we're going to multiply, so we write 12, and this is 12 in the numerator, by the way, times 1/2 x plus 12 times 3/4 minus 12 times 5/3 equal to 12 times 5/6. Okay, please remember 12 is in the numerator. So basically what you're really doing is just multiplying two fractions, and you can write 12/1 if you want. You don't have to. The idea here is that we want to reduce. And I am going to write out all my steps so that everything's clear. Okay, so we're trying to reduce everything. So look, 2 goes into 12 6 times. So this first part just simplifies into 6x plus. I can reduce the 4 and the 12. That's going to reduce to 3. So we really have 3 times 3x. Minus 3 and 12 reduced to 4 times 5 equals 6 and 12 reduces to 2 times 5. Okay, so notice that we have cleared the fractions. Okay, so the next step is multiply. We have 6x plus 9x minus 20 equal to 10. You want to combine your like terms, and that's going to give us 15x minus 20 equals to 10. And then we solve, so you would add 20 to both sides. Okay, so we have 15x. Negative 20 plus 20 is 0, equals 10 plus 20, that's 30. Divide by 15 to isolate your x. And we solve here and we get x equal to 2, and that's our final answer. Okay, now you can always check your answer, and the way we check our answer is by taking the original or the answer that we just got and inputting that into the original problem, which would be the original problem here, and checking that the right and the left sides are equal. Okay, so you can always check your work for any problems. Always a good idea on the quizzes and the tests.